Hi guys, welcome back to Alpha Wolf channel. On this channel, I'll be teaching you another interesting stuff on how to do some things yourself, right? And if you're watching my channel for the first time, you are very much welcome. Don't forget to like this video, turn my bell post notification on, hit the subscribe button, and leave a comment. I'll be going straight to the video. Please make sure you watch from the beginning to the end so that you don't miss out on any step in this video. Bye for now, and I hope to see you at the end of this video. Alright guys, so welcome back to the Alpha Wolf channel. In this video, I'll be teaching you how you can change your Twitter settings from light mode to dark mode, and how you can reverse it. It is very simple. I'm sure a lot of you might be struggling to change your Twitter from light mode to dark mode so that you can help your eyes when you're scrolling through your Twitter or when you're doing any stuff. But basically, this is how you do it. You're going to go to your profile. When you click on your profile, you come to the settings and privacy. When you come to your settings and privacy, you're going to scroll to this particular place, accessibility, display, and languages. You click on it. When you click on it, you're going to see accessibility, display, languages, and data usage. You click on display. From there, you're going to see media previews. You're going to see dark mode off. You're going to see emojis, sound effects, and stuff. You're going to click on dark mode and you turn it on. Right, you can turn it on. So if you turn it on, your Twitter has changed. It will change to the light mode. You can use the device settings. So if your phone is using dark mode, your Twitter will be on dark mode. Like my default setting of my phone is dark mode. There's option of dim dark and light out, right? So there's dark mode and there's dark dim and there's light out, right? So basically you can play with the settings and manipulate it to the way you want it. I like this dim. I'm going to use this dim setting. This is the end of this video. If you want to change it back to light mode, all you need to do is to just switch it off. It will change back to light mode, right? It's very easy to do, but I'm going to be using device setting, and I'll make it dim for my eyes, right? This is where I'll end this video. Bye for now. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like this video, turn my bell post notification on so that when I drop interesting content, you will not miss out.